Hi, this is Tim Mitchell from Schultz Ford Lincoln, Wexford, Pennsylvania, and today we're going to talk some technology. So let's go ahead and check out the center stack and get at it. Alright, if we look here at this center stack, you're going to see right here, this is your traction control. If you turn this off, what will happen is the wheels lock together and then they can actually take you out of a ditch. This is your four-way flashers, and if ever in the event that you need anything on the side of the road, you'll put on your four-way flashers, and this is your automatic start-stop. In the world of Ford, the automatic start-stop can be disabled. All you have to do is press the button. Working down to here, we're going to see that we have the navigation screen along with the audio and the phone. Now, if you want the audio, you press, and on will come the radio. In this version of the Ford, we have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, and you can also have your Bluetooth stereo hooked up to this also. In the phone, it'll hook up multiple phones, and it's very easy to hook up your phone, and you can talk hands-free while keeping your hands on the wheel. In the navigation, this will actually take you through and help you find places that you're trying to get to. Like, for example, let's go to food. And this will show us multiple listings that are closest to furthest away. So as I push the arrow down, it'll show me more things. So just about any place you can think of is on here. You just then press it. It shows you where it's at, and then you just hit start. Now, if you want, you can even call them by just pressing on that, as long as your phone is hooked up to the car. Coming back out, we're going to go to apps. Apps are just if you're going to use anything as far as Waze, anything Google Maps, anything like that, that's where you would find them, is in here. And then your settings is going to have your Ford Connect, your other ways to access things, like if you need to change the sound of your stereo. If you want to change how the sound is coming through the speakers, you would go to that screen. And this also has speed compensated volume. Let's say, for example, you ride with your windows down and you're on a highway and you're going 75 or 80 miles an hour, you then would put in your speed compensated volume, and then it helps with the sound quality. You can slide this over, and this also shows you the other things that are going on with the vehicle as far as your general, your 911 assist. What your 911 assist does, in the event that the vehicle would go off-road, they can triangulate where you're at and send you help. Valet mode just locks that screen out. Like, let's say you were at a valet and you wanted to park your vehicle, you could lock the screen and nobody can look inside of there. Moving down from there, this is the redundance of the radio and audio controls. You have your tune, you have your volume, and then your presets. And then you can jump or change your media. Let me go back to audio here real quick. So it'll take me through the different sources, and also adjust volume and tune. Now over here on the steering wheel, we'll get to that later, is the redundance of these knobs here. Dropping down from here, moving down to the third part of this center stack, this is where your heat and air conditioning is controlled from. This is your fan speed here, up or down. This turns it on or off. This is your heated seats and your rear window defogger. This is the top one is your defroster. This is to make the air come to your face. This makes it come to your feet. And then your recirculation mode. Recirculation mode is, let's say, for example, you came across a skunk. You would push the recirculation mode. It would recirculate the air that is just inside of the vehicle, not adding that beautiful skunk smell to your vehicle. Heated seat for the right side, and the air conditioning. And this controls hotter or colder.